y'all, it's your girl Naveen, and today I am doing Darius's voiceover for his haircut. Alright y'all, look at my man. Alright, so he gonna take his little comb. He love them little combs, and he just gonna brush through. Yeah, he gonna brush through and separate, detangle, get that hair to lay nice and flat so there's no hiccups. Parting, making sure. And y'all, I don't know what these things are called, but I know barbers just be using them, putting them with the cape, and I feel like it's so that the cape don't irritate you and hair don't get underneath your shirt. I feel like that's what it's supposed to be for, so that's what I'm gonna go with. But yeah, make sure you put one of them on. If you don't got that, use toilet paper. I'm pretty sure it works just as fine. And yeah, alright, so like he said, he's gonna take the 2-guard closed, and what he's gonna doing right now is taking off the bulk. So you're gonna want to take that bulk down so that way it's easier to, cut through. And he's holding his hair so that way he doesn't get any of the little flyaways in it. But we had just got some duck clips, so y'all may see that in the next one. And y'all don't talk about my man because they gonna be pink. All right, now he's taking his Andy Slimliners and he's setting that guideline. All right, and if you mess up at this part, that's okay, because like I said, it's just a guideline. He's gonna bald it out, and so you ain't even gotta worry about making it nice and pretty. Just get that first one set so you can get the rest of the haircut. And one thing you want to do is brush as you go or as you cut in, so that way you can get those hairs to lay flat. Yep, take it on down, baby. All right, now he's taking his Andes, and it's no guard, and it's going to be open. So it's open, and he's going to set, he's going to set another guideline. I had to look, I had to think about it for a second. And yeah, so he's just gonna go around his whole head. What you do on one side, you do on the other. Look at him. And like he likes to say, a little scooping motion. So just scoop, scoop. Yeah, look at him. Hold that face, baby. Hold that ear, don't clip it. I mean, I hope you don't cut yourself. Clip your ear. All right, brush. Like I told y'all, brush through, let them hairs lay. And so what we taking now, baby? All right. Oh, you showing us? Yeah. Look at him. He missed that part at the beginning. I mean, at the front, but I feel like one side may be taller than the other, but that ain't none of my business. All right, we're gonna take it halfway. That guard, that no guard, we're taking it halfway, so where we can get rid of that line. Look at him. He pointing at it. That's the one you want to get rid of. So start taking it and scoop it. And get rid of that line, bald it out. Well, fade it out, fade it out. Oh, y'all seen him? He said all around. Take it all around. Why he pointed the comb at y'all like that? Okay, and another trick is to use your edges. Your corners. So you use them corners to get, so it's more detailed, more focused. Y'all see how he's able to use the whole thing in the back of his head? Because there's more to work with, but when he gets closer to the front, he be using them corners. Look at him, just so talented. And y'all, he moving so fast. Look at him go. All right, now we closing it. Y'all seen him close that thing. And he still can see some of that line, so he gonna close it so he can get a sharper, closer cut. So that way he could fade that thing. Yeah, do your thing, babe. And no, y'all, he did not coach me on this. I've done watched enough. Oh, wait, my bad, y'all. We taking the number 1 guard. We leaving that bad thing open. And now we setting another guard line, scooping it out, fading it out. But yeah, like I was saying, he ain't teach me this. We don't watch enough haircut videos together. I feel like I could cut his hair, but I ain't gonna play in his head. So, and if I ever play in his head, just know he likes y'all a lot. Okay. But yeah, so he's scooping, setting another guideline. Look at him. I don't think this is a guideline. He's scooping it out to fade it out. We about to see. We got to see as it goes on. I don't know the steps. I just know the numbers. All right, now we closing it. And when you close it, look at it. It's getting that nice, yeah, that line, he want to fade it out. So the closeness, it's going to get it. Get it all, babe. He got that rat tail comb. He pointed it at y'all. Get it out. Look at him moving so fast like a little bunny rabbit. Go ahead, baby. Y'all, that's how fast he really be moving. He be getting through them haircuts. 15 minutes, that's all it takes. Y'all, this is real time. He ain't speeding nothing up for y'all. Yeah, go ahead, fade that thing out, baby. Okay, brush it. I told y'all, brush your hair, lay it down, make sure it look good. All right, now we taking no guard, the 0 guard, and we going halfway. Y'all want to take that thing halfway. And he still sees a little line, so he gonna want to fade it out. He trying to get a closer cut, closer fade, and he's taking those edges or those ends, and he, you know, getting very detailed work in. All right, y'all don't play with my man. He's very talented and handsome. He almost forgot to show us that he closed it. I told y'all he just be moving so fast. Just gone with the wind. You blink and he's gonna be done, so don't close your eyes for too long. All right, yeah, fade it out, baby, fade it out. All right, now we're going back with that no guard open, and he's still fading, getting that nice blurry. Like when you take your glasses off, you can't see. That's how I be looking. And he just pointed out that he using them ends so that way he can get a nice detailed blurry line. I be trying to focus y'all because, oh wait, we gotta pump it up. Get your spritz. Get the spritz. The spritz gonna hold it down. Shoot, that spritz probably stronger than some of y'all relationships. All right, and then you gonna take your blow dryer. Make sure you use warm heat when you holding it down, okay? Because if you try and use cold, I don't think it's gonna hold the same. I don't know if he talk about that, but so he's holding it down and it's gonna make that thing stick. And so now he's taking, I think that's the 1 guard halfway through to take out the bulk. But yeah, y'all get you some spritz. Okay, y'all, he moving so fast. I'm damn near about to mess up. But he done 0 gap these, and now he getting his line up together. I ain't got no tips or tricks for you on this part, but I feel like if you start lower and work your way up, you'll be good. And you see how at this point he using both his hands. Before he was very confident. Oh, never mind. He confident with the one hand now. But you got to be focused. Look at him focusing. I don't even bother him at this point. And now he getting his C cup. Yeah, baby, get that. Just like that. Yeah, my man is so talented. Look at him cutting his own hair, making music, doing YouTube. Yeah, clean it up, babe. Oh, he's so fine, y'all. Look at him. Yeah, get that. Right now, he just cleaning up details, small things. That's my baby. My damn concealer brush, my damn concealer pencil. Y'all, so when you see this part, you could take a concealer pencil, but sometimes you see when guys have it real like white, it's because they be using that spritz. That spritz leaves a residue, and so they'll take a razor and shave it up. Don't be that person. Wash your face. And now look, he gonna take his razor, clean it up, sharpen it up. But please, don't be that guy. Just if your barber uses some spritz or some hairspray and then tries to wipe it up or brush it up to your tape line, don't let him do it. It's dirty, okay? Don't be that person. But yeah, so he taking this, and I know he getting ready to blend out that line. Yep. But look at him, so confident. Ooh. Yep. See? Get you a little brush, blend it out. And you know, concealer pencils come in so many shades. This is just the look he was going for. You may be looking for something else. All right, now he gonna be bald like a baby's bottom. Yep. Use that Andes and bald yourself out. This catches all your little hair, your little flyaways that you may have missed. This gonna get it. Y'all, you can't even see the concealer pencil. Look at my baby. Look at him. Sharp. All right, now some hairspray because he want that thing to hold, to stay. Look at that man. Yeah, spray it down, daddy. And now you're gonna use that blow dryer. Lock it and load it. Yep, close your eyes. He probably dreaming of me, y'all. Brush it away. Yeah, now he just using his blow dryer to make sure ain't no hair on him. Look at my man, so talented. All right, please do not use alcohol. I cannot stress this enough. Alcohol dries out your skin and gives you bumps. Use some witch hazel, and after you use some witch hazel, maybe some tea tree oil and a moisturizer, you know. And men, exfoliate. Exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate. If not, you're gonna get ingrowns. Don't a girl want to be rubbing on no bumpy neck, no bumpy chin. Please exfoliate and use some witch hazel. Sorry, I'm back. Look at my fine man. Oh, yes, baby. Let your hair out. Be free. My man's so fine. With that head full of hair. Hey, daddy.
So, how do I look?
You look good.
Be honest.
Yeah, you look good.
Be honest. How do I look? Let me know in the comment section below.
Yeah, I'm going to go comment.
How did I do on the fade? We'll give you a full 360.
Blurry, baby.
Look.
You look good.
This is the back. I know I need a twist. I need to get it braided. Some of y'all may feel like I need to cut it all off. Maybe if we get to 100,000 subscribers, I might do that. If we get to 100K, I might cut all this off. Alright? So subscribe, stay tuned. So that should be the end of the video. I appreciate you guys for sticking around in this video. Hopefully, Naveen guided you in the right direction. You know, I tried to give the steps. I try to give, you know, all the steps and all the visuals as much as possible. But hopefully, I don't know, maybe she made y'all laugh or whatever. But hopefully, Naveen was able to come through clutch with that, the voiceover. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment how you felt. If you think I did a good job, if you think I did horrible, that's fine. Let me know. I don't, you know, I'm not, you know, I'm the one that got walk around like this, and I think I look good. So yeah, that's the end of the video. I appreciate y'all for sticking in this long into the video, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. It's Smoothie. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. See y'all later, boys and girls, women, men. See y'all later. Peace.